are the full lyrics to the track. Drug one little block, go! Ooh, yeah. Red ones, blue ones stacked up high, building towers to the sky. When we work together, we can see how bright the whole wide world can be. Side by side, hand in hand, making things that we have planned. Are you ready? Here we go.
What if I told you that you no longer need 5 or 6 different AI tools to create a professional nursery rhyme video? In this video, I'm putting Flova AI to the test by creating an entire kids animation using just one app. You'll see every step from script to final export, so you know Flova AI is worth using for your own YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like this video, and also the links and prompt is in the description. Let's jump in.
Now, for me to be able to create that type of video you guys just watched a moment ago, you can call it nursery, remedy, or children's cartoon, or anything you call it. If you want to create that type of video, the first thing you are going to do, you can go to your browser. If you are using your laptop, you can go to your browser and you search for Gemini. And if you are using your phone, you can go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. You can download the app. And after you download it, the next thing you are going to do, just come down to the app and you open it like this. Now, immediately you open it, it's going to an interface like this. In your case, it's going to bring you to an interface. When it brings you to an interface like this, the first thing you are going to do is to start putting your prompt. And the prompt is going to be in the description of this video or the comment section of this video. I'm going to label it 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are going to arrange it according to the way I'm going to show you right now. Now you are going to ask the Gemini to as you can see, you are going to ask him something like this. This is the first prompt you are going to see in the comment section of this video, where I say, give me 10 kids song title for the age between 6 to 10 years. And the AI tool is going to give you the 10 different type of songs. As you can see them here, the title of the songs, you can see them here. If you are not okay with this, you can decide to tell him to write more, or if you have anyone in mind, you can decide to give it to write it for you. Now, this is the prompt 2 you are going to see in the description or the comment section of this video. And this prompt 2 says, give me the lyrics or generate music lyrics for this song. So this is the lyrics you are seeing here. So I just copy one of these. I copy one of this music here. I copy this number 6, and that is what I put here on this bracket you are seeing here. So you can just put it to your own. You can change it to your own, and after you change it to your own, the next thing you are going to do, click on generate, and this Gemini is going to play the music for you. As you can see, this is the music here. You can decide to play the music and see that this is the music. And if you are okay with this music, you can use it. But if you are not okay with it, you can just tell him to write out the lyrics for you. And the AI tool is going to write out the lyrics. As you can see, here are the full lyrics for the song. So you can just copy these lyrics like this. You can copy it from here. Just copy it down. Just keep copying everything. Make sure you copy everything. And after you copy everything, is to generate. The next thing is to generate your own music. And the AI tool we are going to be using to generate this music is also free. Yes, it's also free. And to get access to this AI tool, the AI tool, it is called Allo AI. You can see the name of the AI tool here, Allo AI. You can see the name here. So just go to your browser, you search for the name of the AI tool, and it's going to open. Now, when you open, you just register, and when you register, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. So you just scroll down on your left hand side, you are going to see where it says audio. So just click on this audio section. Now, when you click on this audio section, it's going to open. Now, let's allow it to open so that I'm going to show you where you will click. Now, when it open like this, the next thing you are going to do is to come below here. They are going to give you 10,000 credits, and this credit, you don't even need to use it. This credit, you don't need to use it. Just come down here, and you are going to see where they say minimax music 3.0. Just click on it. This AI tool will allow you to generate music for free. So if you have a reference song you want to use, you can decide to choose it here to upload it. But right now, we don't want to use any reference song. So the next thing you are going to do is to paste your master prompt here. Just paste your prompt. The lyrics will come from Gemini here. This lyrics, you paste it on the AI tool here. You paste it on the AI tool here where you say lyrics, and the next thing is to copy your style. So go back to Gemini again. You are going to see the third master prompt, which is going to be in the description of this video. Just copy it, and after you copy it, you paste it to the Gemini to write it for you, and Gemini is going to write you the music style, because we also classify it that I said write me a style to generate the song in, I will use minimax audio. That means I'm telling him that I'm going to use this AI tool to generate the music. So that is why I write it here, and Gemini is going to write you the music style. As you can see, music style. So you just copy it, and after you copy it, you come back to the AI tool here, and you come back to the style, and you paste it here. And after you paste it, you click on generate, and they are going to generate the music for you. Now, these are two different types of music is generated for us. So you can play any of it.
Here are the full lyrics to the track Drug.
So if you play it both, anyone you like.
Yeah.
So you guys can see the music has been generated. So anyone you like among of these two music, you can just click on download here. As you can see, download here. You just tap on this download, and the music is going to be downloaded to your phone. So right now we have our music ready. Now the next thing is to turn this music to video, and before that we have to go back to Gemini. Now you are going to see the fourth prompt, this fourth prompt here, that will give you a master prompt which you are going to use to turn this music to video using the AI tool I'm going to share with you right now. So all you just need to do, just copy this master prompt from the description of this video, and you paste it to Gemini here. And when you paste it, Gemini is going to write you the master prompt which you are going to use to paste on the AI tool I'm going to share with you right now. And immediately you paste it on the AI tool will start generating the music video for you. Note that we have already generated our audio here. We have generated our music here. So the next thing we are going to do is to generate our video. So after successfully generating our music, you download the music you want to use, and among of these two, you just download anyone you want to use. And after you download it, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to this AI tool I'm going to be showing you right now, and I'm going to be leaving down the link of the AI tool in the description of this video. Now, the name of this AI tool, the link to this AI tool is going to be in the description of this video. So all you just have to do is just to head over to this AI tool and you register. And immediately you register on this AI tool, they are going to give you 300 credits, and they are also going to see where you can claim another additional 300 credits, which will make it up to 600 credits, which you are going to use to generate videos on this AI platform. So I've used up my credit. That is why you are seeing it here like this. But you can decide to register. Immediately you register, they are going to give you free 300 credits. Now, when you register, the next thing you are going to do is to come to that interface like this, where you are going to see home, you are going to see project, you are going to see generate, you are going to see a lot of things. Now just come down to this place where you are going to see their agent here. Now you click on this plus icon and you are going to see audio. So just click on this audio. Now when you click on this audio, you are going to upload that your music you just download. This is the music I just download from the AI tool. And after you upload that music, you are going to go back to your Gemini where you generate your prompt. Now coming back to Gemini, you are going to write this to Gemini. Tell Gemini to give you a master prompt which you are going to use with this AI tool to generate the video for you. So I'm going to leave all this prompt here. This prompt, I'm going to leave everything in the description of this video. So just copy it and you paste it one by one. Now this is the master prompt Gemini gave us. So just copy it, and after you copy it, just go back to the AI tool. Now when you come back to the AI tool, the next thing you are going to do is to paste the master prompt here. And when you paste the master prompt here, you just click on generate. And when you click on generate, the AI tool is going to analyze everything and give you your results. Let me show you how it is going to do it. Now this is how it's going to do it for you. As you can see, this is how I started. Let me take it to the beginning. Now after I upload my music, I paste in the prompt I copy from Gemini. As you can see, this is the prompt here. Seeing it on my right hand side, you are going to see it, and after it's ready, it said the skills is ready, and it generates the everything. It generates, as you can see, resources, preparation, and everything. So it asked me to choose which aspect ratio I want, and I choose 16:9. You can choose 9:16. If you want to post it on your YouTube or your TikTok, it's going to bring an option where you can choose. Now after you choose, it's going to also analyze your video space, and it will tell you it's ready. So the next thing you are going to do is just to click on continue, and when you click on continue, it's going to generate your storyboard. As you can see, your storyboard, and you can check it out, your storyboard. If there's anything you want to change, you can also change it on your storyboard, and you bring it down, as you can see, and it's going to, when you click on continue, it's going to generate all the images you need for your videos. It's going to generate them, and after you generate them, if there's anyone you are not okay with and you want to change it, you can decide to change it. Just click on continue, and it will keep generating your stories. As you can see, generating the video. Just click on continue, and it will turn those images to video by itself. And at the end of the day, you are going to get, as you can see, this is where it's turning them to videos. And at the end of the day, you are going to get your perfect result like this, where you can also edit them. If there's any clip you are not okay with it here, you can adjust it here and edit them. And if you are okay with the final result, everything it gave to you, you can just click on export here. As you can see, export on up here, and you put it on video, and you export your video, and it will successfully download to your laptop or to your phone, anyone you are using, and it will export and download to your laptop. You can decide to change anything you want to change and edit more. As you can see, enter more edit and edit it, and your video is going to look nice, just like the one you are seeing right now at the beginning of this video. So this is how you can use this AI tool to generate your cinematic cartoon videos, or should I call it nursery rhymes, or anyone you call it. You can use this AI tool to achieve that type of result. As you guys can see, everything we did on this video, everything from beginning, using Gemini, it is free. Using this AI to generate our music video, and using this AI to generate our video using the simple AI tool. So do well to like and comment, and also share this video. See you guys on our next video. If you have any question, or you want me to teach you one-on-one class, and you want me to teach you one-on-one class, you can let me know in the comment. If you are watching from YouTube and you want to learn how you can be creating videos like this for free also, you can let me know in the comment section, or you can chat me up, and I'm going to teach you how you are going to do it one-on-one class. But just know that my teaching is not free. You are going to pay me for my lecture, which I'm going to be teaching you one-on-one, and I'm going to teach you how you are going to do it. So see you guys on my next video.